Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, The Crafty Closet. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a full length image on a sweatshirt. For this project you're going to need a sweatshirt, electric heat transfer vinyl, this is the SISER brand heat transfer vinyl, fabric measuring tape, and a 12 by 24 Cricut mat. And of course, your heat press. Don't know what a full image is on the shirt? Well, you got to stick around. Okay, y'all, so before we get into design space, we are going to need to measure our sweatshirt. That's the first thing, so that's why we have a fabric measuring tape. Now we're going to measure from collar to seam, top to bottom, because remember this is a full image. So just measure it, make sure you get the correct measurements for your shirt. As you can see, mine goes all the way up to 21, but I'm not going to make my image that long because I'm going to pull it down a little bit from the collar. So I'm going to do mine to about 16. So just remember to, measure it correctly, and then you're going to also measure it the wide way because we just did the length. So now we're doing the width. Width is going to give you, of course, more than 12, but we're limited to 12. We're not going to do 12. You're going to do less than 12 for your width. And then once you got your measurements together, make sure you write them down. So when you get into design space with this image, you'll know exactly what to do. Okay, y'all, so now we're going to head all over to design space and we're going to get our image on our canvas. Now, I already have this image saved. And of course, I'm just going to show you how I did it. So I went with Minnie Mouse. Now this Minnie Mouse is really cute and I did not get it out of the design space images. I actually bought this image off of Etsy and it was only like $1. Now you can get Disney images in design space for free if you are a Cricut Access member. If not, I think they may be roughly around $2 or so. But this one was just really cute. The other ones in design space just didn't do it for me for this particular project that I wanted to do. This particular shirt. Now, we're leaving it the same. We're not going to change anything on this image. Right now, I'm just going to find the color. You know me, I like to get the color as close to the color that I'm going to be pressing as possible. Now, the color we have is a gold. It's a gold shiny iron-on vinyl. That's why that's the one I told you guys to use. It's an iron-on vinyl, and it's the SISER brand iron-on vinyl. Now, it's gold. Trying to get as close to gold as I can. And I guess the closest I can get is like this tan right here. It's closest to it. So now we're going to leave this image exactly as it is. Remember, it's going to be full length from top of your shirt to bottom. So for this, we're not going to really mess with the dimensions too much. You want to keep them the same. So as you can see, my dimensions on this are giving you up there. What is that? I think that's like 8 by 7. Too short. We know our image is going to be the full length of our shirt, so we're going to have to make this bigger. So I'm going to go with about, let's see, 15. Now, you see if you keep this locked, your image is locked, it's going to automatically give you the width of it, as opposed to if you put in 15, it's going to automatically lock your width at 12 and some change. We already know 12 is too big. Design space is limited to really like 11 and maybe 0.7, 0.8 if you're lucky. So for this trick, you're going to have to remember to make sure you unlock your width and length. So when we get the width right, when we get the length right, the length of our image, our width will populate correctly. So we unlock it and we're going to do 15. And now you see it gave me a width of 9.8, 9 and some change. So that's exactly what we want. So remember to unlock it, do your width first. It'll give you unlock it, do your length first, y'all. And then it will give you the correct width. Now, I got the correct width and length of my shirt. That's it. No mess, no fuss, no nothing. Simple, cute image, right? Now we're going to go ahead and put it on our shirt and see exactly what it looks like. Now, I didn't go with the t-shirt because I have a sweatshirt. So the template I'm using is the hoodie. It's the closest I could get in my mind to what a sweatshirt would look like. Now, you can also put this on a hoodie. It's up to you. But it just gave me the best overall dimensions on what I thought it would look like. So we're just going to pretend like the hood is not there. And this is our shirt right now. So now I'm going to change it to the correct sizes that we are using for my sweatshirt, which is your medium, women's, and I'm going to change it to the color, and the color is a green. Now, again, y'all know I like to get as close to the color that I'm using as possible, so I'm just going to mess around with this just a little bit to give it the right color that we want. Okay, there we go. It's like, yeah, perfect. It's more like an olive green, actually. So we have our olive green. There we go. And here's our full image. We're going to put her here. Now, this actually looks cute, even if you were going to do it on a hoodie, right? It's giving you the full length, and it really works out well if you want to do a hoodie and not just do a regular sweatshirt. But I have a sweatshirt, so we're just going to do it the same way as if this was our shirt minus the hood part. Now, as you see, we have it full length, top to bottom. That's exactly what we want. You don't need to do anything else to this. Just make sure it's lined up the way you want it. It looks correct, and you're happy with how it comes out looking on your canvas. There it is, y'all. That's it. Look, it can even go on the back if you wanted to put it on the back of a shirt. That looks cute, too. The possibilities are endless with this particular image and the shirt with the full length from top to bottom on your shirt. Now, what do y'all think? I think it's good. You know, normally I do a little razzle dazzle, but this didn't need anything else because the image is a bright, shiny gold. It's already going to pop on my green, so I didn't need to do anything else. As always, if you like this video, make sure to click the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and also the notification bell. As always, I appreciate you for watching. This is the Crafty Closet, and now the fun part starts. We are going to go ahead, send this to our machine, cut it, weed it, press it, and I'm going to give you the end results. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching.